Well, BJP's bipolar drubbing has indeed given the Shiv Sena more ammunition to target its NDA ally now. In its editorial mouthpiece, Samna, Shiv Sena has said that this is a lesson for the BJP before the Maharashtra Assembly polls. Sena warned its ally that the party should not take the voters for granted. Let's go across to Kajal for more. Kajal, it seems now the Sena is behaving as if it has got a greater elbow room and a bigger bargaining power after the bipolar results.
Yes, in fact, yesterday also when we spoke to a lot of the Sena leaders, they were of the opinion that this will give them more bargaining power, especially because the BJP was very aggressive during the seat sharing talks, asking for 135 seats and no less, which the Sena was unwilling to part with for any cause at all. Yesterday's bipolar results have been a breather for the Sena, and today the Shiv Sena has tried to, in fact, write a very balanced editorial, on one hand saying that this is a lesson for the BJP and for everyone else, but also on the other hand saying that not to attribute this loss to some sort of weakening of the Modi wave. Because according to them, the state issues and the central issues are different, and so this loss cannot be attributed to Modi. But at the same time, they have maintained that voters' minds are fickle, and they need to be careful about what the voters think. Everyone needs to be careful. For good measure, the Shiv Sena editorial goes on to use the word everyone so as to not directly mention the BJP and only the BJP. But clearly the message is for the BJP that the BJP needs to stop being proud of their one-time victory and to start working on what the ground realities are for the assembly elections, because those, according to the Sena, will be different from what are for the central elections.